Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. So first scroll from the top and open the Bluetooth settings and disable the Bluetooth. After that, enable it back on, and here we need to scan for devices. When you have your paired devices right here, hit the gear next to it and unpair and unpair. Once again, scan and try connecting back on. Hit pair on both devices, and if you still have any issues, then restart your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.